Hi, I'm Gail at the English Factory. Let's talk about Speak Workout. This playlist is the first 12 videos for Speak Workout. I post them on YouTube so my beginner Japanese students, both kids and adults, can get an effective speaking workout between lessons. In addition to speaking practice, these videos are designed to help beginners get used to the real sounds of American phonemes as they blend together into words. That is why I am speaking super slowly and exaggerating every word in the videos. Now, Speak Workout is exactly that. It's a workout. It's not entertaining. It's training. It's not a grammar lesson. It's serious training. Training so you start using basic English grammar as fluently as you use basic grammar in your native language. Speak Workout exercises work exactly the same way repetitive physical exercises do to develop muscles and flexibility of athletes so they perform their sport at a higher level. They work exactly the same way repetitive music drills develop a pianist's finger muscles and agility so they can play any chord combination in any song. With Speak Workout, rather than learn about grammar, you invest your time actually speaking and using the grammar. You do a crazy amount of repetitive exercises that develop your English-speaking muscles and muscle memory so you speak basic grammar patterns without conscious effort. So the best way to understand Speak Workout is to compare it to music drills. Let's take a look. Comparison 1. Piano drills are not meant to be songs. They are not for learning music theory, and you don't read them. Piano drills are exercises specifically for developing finger muscles and agility. You still need to practice playing songs. And Speak Workout is not natural conversation. It's not for learning grammar rules. You don't read it. Speak Workout is full of speaking exercises specifically made for developing English-speaking muscles and muscle memories in your brain. You still need to practice listening to and engaging in real conversations. Comparison 2. Piano drills provide gradual, step-by-step training so you get the crazy amount of repetitive practice you need to develop strong, fast fingers so you can play any combination of chords without conscious effort. And Speak Workout, it provides the gradual, step-by-step training so you get the crazy amount of repetitive practice you need to combine basic grammar patterns together so you can have simple conversations without conscious effort. Comparison 3. Piano drills target your speaking weaknesses and then give you lots of effective drills to help you overcome them. And Speak Workout targets your speaking weaknesses, then gives you lots of effective exercises to help you overcome them. And here's our final comparison. Number 4. Serious pianists don't care if piano drills are fun or not. They know that if they do them, they will have better finger skills. Serious English learners don't care if Speak Workout training is fun or not. They know if they do it, they will speak basic English better. Speak Workout doesn't offer gimmicky shortcuts promising quick results. Just the opposite. It is challenging, demanding, and uncomfortable, like a hard physical workout and difficult piano drills. Speak Workout pushes you beyond the limits of your present speaking skills through constant repetitive practice. If you commit to doing the exercises for the recommended repetitions, Speak Workout will start building neural networks in your brain for English grammar patterns. Now, I call these networks English muscles. Speaking basic English grammar will start being as natural and effortless as speaking your native language. So, try Speak Workout. Make a commitment to finish all 12 videos. Also, commit to practicing these grammar patterns in your daily life. While you're walking, while you're taking the train or on the bus, while you're in the waiting room at the dentist's office, anywhere where it's possible to use Speak Workout. Although the grammar is extremely basic, Speak Workout might be more challenging than you think. Check out the next video. It will explain exactly what grammar and speaking skills you are practicing in these first 12 Speak Workout videos. Want more information about Speak Workout? Want to try Speak Workout? Well, just contact me, Gail Ogawa. I'm at the English Factory, and you can email me at theenglishfactoryjp@gmail.com or speakworkout@gmail.com.